To be honest, when I signed up for the 3-day course, I was a little unsure of what I would get in 3 days. 3 days is a lot of time for busy people and busy leaders, but being able to be present for all 3 of those days, I've learned that the concepts that are delivered in that course are very intentional. They play off of each other, and I had 2 facilitators, and every facilitator I've met has been so ingrained and invested in that material and well trained to deliver it, that it was a breath of fresh air in a way, because it was hands-on learning, it was continuous learning, and it wasn't all theory. It wasn't just something that, somebody's up there doing a PowerPoint and you're listening death by PowerPoint. It was really skills that people can use and practice in those 3 days and then implement and take back into their professional care teams. So for MUSC Health specifically, I still have leaders coming to me saying, this course has changed who I am as a leader. I'm able to have some of those difficult or compassionate conversations with care team members, and I look at it in a different way, where before I was so terrified about going into a conversation. I didn't have the skills. I didn't know how people were going to respond. And the concepts that the 3-day course teaches you to use is tangible, it's realistic, and it changes who you are as a leader, as a professional care team person, as a parent, as a significant other. And the same leader actually stopped me just a couple weeks ago and said, I just want you to know that this has changed my relationship with how I speak with my teenage daughter, and we have become closer because of this course. And I'm getting emotional talking about it. But it works, and it's proven material.